Here's another vintage can opener with the lever right here. So it goes forward, Superior MFG core, and there's a pattern number and everything. So there's a blade down here or here. So there's a multiple way to open it. Find the middle, puncture it through, and so I could just open it this way, or I can open it this way and lever it down into here. So we'll tie it this way first of all, and then twist it around this way. Lever does not need to be used. Wow, that is amazing. That is the easiest way to open a can for sure. So that was this blade. Now let's tie it this way in case we need to open up a gem or something like that, like cranberry sauce. Okay, I'll lock it in right in the middle somewhere, preferably. Okay, adjust it. Then I'm gonna put it right close to it, and then I'm gonna push the lever in. There you go. And by levering it down, it will go all the way in. Nice. And now I can just spin right around it very easily. Boom. And open it. A very unique way to open it. I've never seen anything like that with the lever right here, this way or that way. Both way was really easy to open it. It was me first time using it. Took me a while to figure out how to use it. That is amazing can opener, one of a kind for sure. Here's EDC quick detach keychain rings. Got it on Amazon, so there's no brand. So there's a keychain pull right here to take it out and put it through. Very unique. Let's try it. Ooh, it's titanium, so it's very lightweight. Check this out. Definitely a very different way to put a keychain to. So on one side, and it will be on the other side. This side kinda a lot easier because I'm right-handed. It pulls right through. There's a fingerprint look to it, like swivels, circles. So push on that and release it. So like a button release. So if I need to detach some kind of flashlight from my keychains, or maybe from a pocket clip, if it's connected to my, I don't know, maybe belt loop on my pants. So if I need to detach it, boom, I can detach it easily. That will stay on a key chain with keys. And it does not come off really easily unless I really push into it. I have to push quite nicely. Look at that. That is so easy, but at the same time it's really easy to push it in, and it does not come off at all. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Look at that. That is amazing. Got right here Weban new lantern. It says camping on it, 500 lumen. So very bright. Ooh, so easy to carry lantern. There's a ring. That is cool. So it can stand up this way, or it can be hung on something. I don't know, maybe in the tent. Just like this. Look at that. You can go this way to make sure it's leveled. You can adjust it a little bit. Boom. That is cool. Or I can hang it this way, so it's like pointing at something else. It has a tripod screw, so it can be set up on a tripod. Charger and also power bank, looks like. That is cool. Yeah, this is input USB-C and output USB. Still light on. Wow, that's really like low. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 moods. Okay, let's turn off the light, see what it looks like. I love the stand. That is so nice. So this is what it looks like on a brightest. It is truly like a lantern. So I'll set it this way to just show you how bright that is. Wow, that's cool. Okay. It is more of a lantern, so it doesn't spotlight out, although I kind of see it, but it doesn't make it bright very far away. But close to me is perfect, and in case I need to maybe hang it somewhere, I'm gonna plug it in right there, and we have like a little lamp. That is so cool, easy to attach, detached. And there's gonna be minus. Okay, it's on the lowest. And brighter, wow. So that was the whole time medium. And it doesn't take off much light, but close up is plenty. And you see, it's too much. So for bigger room on maximum, so much light, amazing. Wow, yeah, that's probably the best on maximum. Very nice lantern for sure. So that's a tray that does not spill like glasses and things. Let's see what it's about. Wow, it's all metal. That is cool. For example, I want to bring a bunch of drinks to the pool. I can grab it without even looking, go up the stairs and not spill it with a bunch of steps. Go outside, go to the pool because that's where everybody cooking out, eating. Open the door with one hand. Well, one hand is busy with my camera. And take it out to the pool. And bring some drinks out here. Let's see. The jump. Again, another latchet that I have to use. One-handed. Look at that. Does not spill. Does not fall over. I love how metal that is. Boom. Enjoy the drink and water Gatorade by the pool. So that's a good tray to have. I'm definitely going to use it. Grab it one-handed. Oh, how am I going to open it? So bring it by the grill. No problem. Does not spill. Set it by the grill. Cool. And just for fun, let's see. It does not spill it at all. All the drinks are still here, not spilling. And for fun, let's see if I can swing it around and it's not spilling, because inertia, science, and all the water real, standing there really well, not spilling. Maybe a little bit, but we're going really extra about it. Standing, love it. Definitely gonna use it around here if I want to bring some drinks to the kids and stuff like that. Bring this out, it folds super easily. So just a really good item to have by the bar. Unload it. I spilled a little bit because I was going a little bit extra about it. And it folds and I can stick it in one of those doors. Nice. Outdoor camping adventure lamp. So let's see what's about. Also, it could be camping light, stone magnet, lawn endurance, and power bank. And it has 10,000 mAh. Beautiful box. Let's see what's inside. Wow, packaged so well. I think it also has a built-in tripod. Comes with the wire and a hanging kit. No, this is more like spikes for the ground so it doesn't fall over. So 1, 2, 3 is brightest. Ooh, there is another light that, okay, this comes out this way. Whoa, and the light would be right here. That is cool. Whoa, that flips over too, so it becomes one of these regular flashlights. 2 and 3 brightest. That is cool, but more of a lantern. Or it can go sideways. I love this swivel right here. That is so unique, very innovative. So it's only flash light up on top right here, and then the legs open up this way and they're up down. Not very long, but it's plenty to set it up and have a light. That is one of a kind flashlight for sure. The legs are glow in the dark or just reflective. Not sure, we'll find out. Okay, check out that lamp. It is really bright. This is on the brighter settings. This is nice. Okay, and it can go up. So if I need to illuminate the ceiling, that's cool. Or if I need to set it up down, maybe I have camping like a blanket or inside the tent, that is plenty of light. But I love how it swivels to the side can bring it down and set it up. Let's do it from far away so we see what it looks like. That's giving away a lot of light. Very unique. And obviously can go sideways down this way. Very cool too. Can flip it down this way. Turn it into lantern like this, like a night stand, I guess. So it's like a night light, I would say. Or it can be like a miniature lantern, reading lamp while camping. So cool. One of a kind. I really like that a lot.